What's going on, legends? Today, this is Windows 11 Day 2, my thoughts. So I've got the latest version installed, if you want to see, Windows Update. And I apologize for the last video, because I realized, the slider, it wasn't moving in my microphone in OBS. For some reason, because I had to change the microphone. There's no microphones were selected, like my laptop's built in. I apologize so much. And yeah, I'm on the latest version. See 11.13. And pretty much, yeah, this it's getting kind of more better to use. I'm getting more used with it. Here, just one thing I don't like about the newer update, I don't like the new search icon. I don't like it. It's like a very weird oval, kind of. I don't like it. I miss the old one. I don't like this. It's kind of wasting space. It's like wasting two icons. Now we want to check out some apps. For example, Anime Jam. I mean games, not apps. Okay, so I am in my den, and so far, smooth like Windows 10. But when I loaded the game up, I realized some lag. Like I'll show you, for example. If we go Gemma Township, we like a lot of these people there. Of course, the people cause lag. Wait, okay, no lag so far. Wait, I think I picked the wrong spot. Yeah, here. Okay, there was lag when I first started the game up. There's slight lag, as you can see. Oh yeah, not really a big difference. It's just when you load it up, there's a small difference. We're gonna check out Pixel Strike. I know, it's like Pixel Gun. It's a ripoff. But it's actually pretty decent. Okay, battery's taken. Oh no, the screen is very dirty. I just touched the screen. Okay, case ready. Oh yeah, free case. Open. I just need to make sure everything is minimized for fastest performance. I don't even know what I got. Okay, this is not the worst performance. It's not that bad. Alright, so this is the performance. Oh my god. Come on, man. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh! One more try, bro. This game. Alright, sorry for my raging, but I'm gonna keep Steam open. And right now, how much memory have I taken up with Steam and OBS running? 61%. Oh, Steam is using pretty big amount. Steam's 32-bit. This is 64-bit. Not that bad. Oh yes, I want to just show you the sound difference. I've showed you already. Just want to let you know about it. Like if we search up in sounds, and we go into change system sounds. Right here. Okay, now we go into personalization. And background. No, not background. We're gonna pick themes. Okay, so this is dark mode right now, as you can see. My taskbar is dark. Settings app is dark. Just take a listen. See, it's slightly quieter than the light mode. I miss the old Windows 10. I miss that sound. I don't like that sound. I don't like it. It sounds always the same, pretty much. This one's loud. And yeah, you can see a difference. Notification. Come on. System notification. Windows user account. This is always the same as like Windows 7, Vista, 8, 10. Always the same. Okay, so this is asterisk in dark mode. Take a listen. As you can hear, it's this loud, but in light mode. Now take a listen at this. See, it's more louder. It's like higher pitched. Like, why would you make it quieter for dark mode users? Because you can't really hear it. See? I don't want to use light mode. I don't like light mode. See, the sounds are more louder than in dark mode. Then dark mode is just, I don't know. This is dark mode. See? It's just weird. It's a very strange difference. Okay, so I just closed down, oh Jesus. I just closed down Steam for faster performance. Once again, guys, I have to tell you, thank you for the subscribers. 249. Last time I had like 245 or 46. Like, just thank you so much for this. Let's see how web browsing works. Alright, so I just got some like optional updates that I will download for my like real tech for like the audio. For some reason, the settings app crashed when the updates were downloading. Okay, it's done. Let's check once again to make sure. But that usually happens in Windows settings app, like in Windows 10 and 11. When you like update, like the settings app like freezes a lot. It just is very slow. Just the thing that sucks about Windows 11 is the high taskbar. You can't even make it small. Even like on Windows 10, you can make it even smaller. That's just one thing I don't like. I like this glow effect when you like hover over the icons. I like this Windows button when you like presses like the 4 times. You can see that. It looks nice. Well, I hate that you only get the taskbar settings. Now, the good thing is about 22H2, I think this was added earlier. You can finally drag and drop your icons. I also like how smooth the icon animation is when you like slide it across. In Windows 10 it was pretty buggy. But yeah, they added back the pin feature. I don't know why they removed it. Also, what I hate is when you right click, you don't get the old refresh feature. See right here, you have to click an extra click, show more options. Now here is the old menu. That's just what's very stupid about Windows 11. Okay, so now we're gonna put this to the tough test to see if the RAM is good. And yeah, I know Windows 8.0 OG, because I like Windows 8. I remember using it a lot. And so for this, I'm going to open Task Manager. And also another crazy thing is that I'm also screen this recording and like using my microphone, which is even using even more memory. So okay, close, minimize that, make sure this is minimized for the least RAM to be used. Start, minimize, and let's see if this actually is going to like crash because of 100% memory used. We are going to see. So Windows 8.1, I set 3 gigs of RAM for the system. It worked perfect on Windows 10. It was like 90% taken up memory when it ran. Okay, that is interesting. Yes, Windows 10 is starting. No, Windows 8 is starting. That's good. Good sign. And there you go. Here it is. Okay, I will not show this. Okay, I will not show my password. Okay, so right now I'm in it, and the problem with my Windows 8 is it's not activated by like a product key. It worked at first on the setup. The product key worked, but now it's not working. But right now, 94% memory. So it's slightly more Well, that's probably because of OBS running. 94%. Which is very nice because I don't want this to like crash on me. And here we have Windows 8. Look at this. Windows 8. I can't even change the wallpaper because I didn't activate. Like, look, I can't. I need to activate. I don't like the Windows 8 settings app. It's very weird. Very unfinished. I don't like it. Also, the Windows 8 like settings app crashes usually when it's like updating. I forgot to mention Windows 8 because like it has updating built in the settings app. Like Windows 7, you'd go like a control panel. Oh, 90%. It's not. Oh my god, I'm messing up. 90% now. How did I not notice yesterday that my microphone is not even working? Like because look, the microphone icon's right here. That means my microphone's being used. Let's see Windows 8 has an update because it's still supported with security updates, all that. Okay, so as you can see, 256 megabytes video memory, 64-bit Windows 8.1. The cursor's not that bad. Like it's pretty unsmooth, of course, on a virtual machine. Cause like yeah, you need a very good specs, like a lot of RAM on your PC to like manage it between two operating systems, the virtual and the actual. This is taking some time. I hate on Windows 8, you have to like go here slightly to like get this. Very annoying. Because it is based off like tablet mode, Windows 8. People didn't like it just because like, it was full of like tablet mode. Oh, I like the animation. See, it's like full of tablet functionality. You have to like, kind of go like this. I don't know if this is an actual hardware, like this, but Windows 8 was bad. Then Windows 8.1 changed very nicely. Like people started liking Windows 8 when it was Windows 8.1. Even Windows 8.1 supported to this day. But I think in January 2023, they're ending support for it. Still, pretty long lifespan. Ooh, that was nice. There you go. Okay, it's taking some time. I'll just give this some time. After so much time of waiting, finally an update showed up. 10.3 megabytes. Small size. It's like a servicing update. Okay. It's currently installing other updates. Alright. There's only shutdown and restart. I can get that hibernate there. I don't need these programs on Windows 8 because I want the least storage used. Money? What's that? This is very interesting. Going back in time to Windows 8. It feels sketchy. Well, at the time it probably felt not that bad. It feels like Windows 7 and 10 at the same time. It's like Windows 10 has like a Windows 7 theme, with like the arrow, like the bottom. It's like Windows 7 look. But this is the Windows Store. Back then it was called Windows Store. I do not like it much. Maybe it looks better on actual hardware, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. Top free games. Let's see. It's probably Asphalt. Yeah. I even have it installed right there. Asphalt 8. I haven't played it in some time. Like also Planet of Cubes, Dragon City, Dragon Mania, Asphalt 9 and 8. I have more games also, but they're not on my taskbar, on my start. This is Windows Store. Oh, I like that glow. But I think it's time to shut down Windows 8. Virtual machine. My battery's 29 solid, 29%. Battery usage is not that bad on Windows 8. But you can actually run with 8 gigs of RAM and you share 3 gigs for the virtual machine, exactly 3 gigs. It's enough. It's enough to run it. That's a good sign. Right now I'm going to play Mini World, but one thing I forgot, I have to say this again. I miss the top taskbar. Like, I got so used to it. I don't like when it's at the bottom. But yes, I'm on Mini World right now. It's the Minecraft free ripoff, but it's a very nice game. There's a lot of things in it. And if we alt and enter, full screen looks perfect. And we check the memory usage. The task manager, 59%. Not so bad. Okay, we are going to play. And we're like battleship. And let's check how the performance. Blue team. Okay, slightly laggy. Not anymore. Just because it's loading. And yeah, what do we do now? Oh no, oh no, oh no. We destroy it. We destroy this turret. Whoa. That is very cool. It's not going to attack me. And here's a chest. Okay, so ammo. What's in here? Okay, what is this? Another chest. Ammo? Bro. Where do I get my weapon? Oh! Here's weapons. Nice. Ah, this is not ammo. Bam! What? Okay, so this was the mini world test. It's good. It's actually good. Okay, so I plugged in my Windows 11 PC. I plugged it in. Okay, this is the Windows 11 store. And it looks just like Windows 10's. I miss the Windows 10 store a lot. Like, I miss it so much. Yeah, I actually do. One more thing I forgot to check is my storage. Right here. Another thing I forgot to show you is the... Oh my god, OG, OG. I say OG a lot every time. But yeah, another thing I have to say is the new file manager tabs. Right here, you can see this is in 22H2 exclusively on Windows 11, not on Windows 10, which is a very nice feature. But I think this is my final day with Windows 11. I am going back to Windows 10 because no full start, I miss it. No top taskbar, no side even. And yeah, you can only move this to the left or the center. Extra clicks, even in the file manager. Look at this. Even in the file manager. Wait. Like, wait. Look at this, look. So here, for example, if you want to delete the recycling, maybe you want to delete this. Look, after you click show more option, and now there should be delete somewhere. Like, this is very extra clicky. So yeah, this is my Windows 11 review, day 2. After day 2, I'm going back to Windows 10. Thank you for watching.